Financial Educator. 1 year pa lang ako sa ING pero masasabi kong I am financially educated. From walang ipon, natutong mag-ipon. Malaki ang naging impluensya sa akin ng International Marketing Group. And I want to help you change the way you spend your money. 100 pesos lang ang pera ko. Pwede ko bang ipunin? Definitely the answer is yes. Kahit barya pa ang pera mo, pwede mong ipunin. Walang malaki o maliit na halaga sa taong financially educated. Know your goal or priorities. What are your plans for today that can be used for the future? Like educational plan, healthcare, insurance, retirement plan. Kung ikaw ay 10, 20 o 30 years nang nagtratrabaho at wala ka pang naiipon, ay mayroong mali sa way ng paghandle mo sa iyong pera. Para mas makapag-ipon ka, sundan ang correct formula for saving. Income less savings equals expenses. Before you spend, you need to save first. But there is an even better formula. Income less tithes, less savings equals expenses. Pay yourself first. Set aside 20% of your income to save for your future. If possible, save 20% or more. Treat it like a bill that you must pay and pay it first. That's your family financial future bill. Doesn't it make sense to pay your family first before paying other people's bills? Your cell phone load or your electricity is not more important than your family's financial well-being. One way to increase your savings is to reduce your expenses. Delay your gratification. Can you sacrifice small personal luxuries today so you can reap greater rewards and benefits in the future? Remember, it's not how much you earn that counts, it's how much you keep. One of the common traits among rich people is that they are very conscientious when it comes to spending. You must consider time when saving. Time is money. The sooner you save, the better for your future. Procrastination is the enemy of saving. When people are young, they delay saving because they think they have a lot of time. Financial education is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. To get free copy of this book, pumunta sa link na to, 197935ph.trulyricmakers.com/ebook/. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, pwede kang mag-like, pwede mo ring i-share sa iyong mga kaibigan o kakilala para matuto rin sila kagaya mo. At huwag mo rin kalimutang mag-subscribe. Just click subscribe at idamay na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify ka once na meron akong bagong video. You can email me at santosiza303@gmail.com or message me at my FB account, Melissa Santos.